Hi. Let's learn about the basics of a distress sale and why it often leads to financial loss. Today, we will talk about a distress sale. A distress sale, also called a distressed sale, occurs when a property, stock, or other asset must be sold quickly. Distress sales often result in a financial loss for the seller who, for reasons of economic duress, must accept a lower price. Mortgage borrowers who can no longer meet the payments for their mortgaged property may opt to sell their property to pay off the mortgage. Examples of situations where distress sales occur include divorce, foreclosures, and relocations. A short sale by a homeowner can be considered a distressed sale, where the homeowner is attempting to sell their property even though its current market value is below the amount owed to their lender. This can occur if the homeowner is forced to move from the home and cannot wait for the property's market value to recover. If a distress sale is conducted for a piece of property such as an antique or collectible art, the seller might choose to take offers that are lower than the value of the item. The seller might request offers by advertising the item or instead might offer the item to a pawnbroker. When the seller deals with a pawnbroker, they will likely receive offers below the value of the item, as the pawnbroker bids low to resell the item for a higher price. There are times when potential buyers may take advantage of the seller's circumstances, leading to bids substantially lower than the value of the property. If an asset is sold through a distress sale, the valuation of the asset is considered artificial because it was not sold under true competitive market conditions. In the case of real estate, for example, the sales price cannot be used as a comparator to establish the asset's true value. Buying a distressed property means that you stand a good chance of buying it at a price that is below market value. However, there are drawbacks. If the seller was in a hurry to sell, it is unlikely that they will have performed any repairs on the house to boost the sales price. The new owners may have to spend a substantial amount to bring the property up to the desired state. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. Distress sales occur when the seller needs to sell an asset urgently, often to pay debts or medical expenses or for other emergencies. 2. A short sale is a form of distressed sale in which the homeowner attempts to sell their property even though the current market value is below the amount owed to their lender. 3. Distress sales often result in a financial loss for the seller because buyers realize that the seller is in a hurry to obtain funds and will offer a lower price. 4. Buying a property through foreclosure or a distressed sale may mean that the property is in a poor state of repair. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.